Hello everyone and welcome to Ab's Garage. As you saw in yesterday's video, we did the muffler delete. And today I want to make it sound and look a little bit better. So I went to O'Reilly's, got myself 2.5 inches 45-degree elbow and a 12-inch turn down pipe. Then I got two 2.5 inches exhaust clamps. All the tools needed for this pipe is just a 12 millimeter or 14 millimeter socket, and I got my handy dandy impact here. So we're gonna climb together under there and place the pipes and then tighten everything up, and hopefully it sounds better. It does sound good. I love how it sounds without the muffler, and the response is better. So, but I just wanted to make it look complete-ish. So I'm gonna put everything all together and I'll be back. Okay, so I put the pipes on there. Everything looks good, everything fits right, but there's about an inch here where it hits the frame back here, so I might have to cut the elbow a little bit, make it a little bit shorter so this can go further in, and hopefully that fixes it. If not, I'll see what I can do. So yeah, here's how it looks. I'm gonna have the clamp sit here and back here, and that should be it. So I'm gonna go cut the elbow, see what that does. Hopefully everything looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark a 1 inch mark. Here we go. Right here, you can see it by my finger. So let me cut this and see, hopefully that works. Always make sure you're wearing safety. Make sure you have safety glasses on, gloves, face protection. That always come in handy. So I have my cutoff wheel here, so let's go and cut. Go ahead and flip the pipe. Alright, so we just have a little bit left. Gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, it's not the prettiest cut, but that'll work. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it a little bit. Make sure it's all straight. Alright, let's go back to the Jeep, see how we did. Hopefully everything fits good. Okay, moment of truth. So I got the pipe all the way in here. Let's see, hopefully everything works out. There's still a tiny bit of contact here, but hopefully I can push this tip a little bit in further. Hopefully that should take care of this. So let me try, give it a couple of taps and see what I can do about it. Alright, and that fixes it. So I just gave it a little bit of tapping on the ground, and it went in all the way. Now everything looks good. So let's get the clamps out, tighten everything up, and see how it sounds, how it looks after that. Let me get the clamps and the impact gun, and we'll tighten up the exhaust. Yeah, it seems like because of the cut is not straight, it's not allowing it to go all the way in, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna go clean that up, make sure it's 100% straight, then try it again. Because when I put the exhaust straight, it was touching right here, barely. So I just want to clean that up, make sure it's all the way in, and then hopefully it works. Alright, so I got the clamps in, everything is secured, nothing's moving, nothing's wiggling or anything like that. I did have to clean up the cut a little bit, and now there's no touching whatsoever. So let's go ahead and start the Jeep. Listens to how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds better, and by that we'll be done. Call that a success. Sounds super good. A lot better than it did before. Now, let's check for any leaks around the clamps. There's nothing here. And there's nothing here. So, by that, I thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, please like. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.